Today I'm going to give you 10 tips when cutting a slope, so stay tuned. This video is brought to you by the Lube-Shuttle and all the other fine products located in the Tractor Mike Fun Store. Use the link in the description to click into the Mike store that has some of the most fun and creative products that are available for tractor lovers today. Hi, this is Paul from CountryCraziness.com. If you're interested in tractors, post-frame construction, and homesteading, well, you've come to a good place. Why not subscribe, tap the bell, and join in on the conversation? You know, cutting a slope is one of the most dangerous operations when working a tractor. And my first piece of advice to you is if there's a way that you can avoid doing it, do it. You don't want to kill yourself cutting something that's unnecessary. Leave something for Mother Nature if at all possible. But if you must cut a slope, here's 10 tips to help you do it as safe as possible. Tip number 1 is don't cut slopes until you're completely familiar with your tractor and are experienced using differential lock, four-wheel drive, your bucket, your PTO, and your lawnmower or brush hog. Tip number 2 is to use proper ballast on your tractor. Use wheel weights or rim guard. Tip number 3 is to adjust your cutting wheel to the highest position and follow the manufacturer's recommendation for the proper angle from the front to the rear of the brush hog. Number 4, cut alongside the slope, not over it. Cutting over a slope is dangerous and it could hang up your mower or damage your PTO or your drive shaft. Number 5, start at the bottom and work your way up, taking narrow passes. Number 6, pay attention to where your next cut's going to be and look for obstacles and dips that might be unexpected on your next cut. Next, don't cut past your comfort zone. If you need to use your diff lock, get out of there. You're done cutting for the day. Number 8, carry your phone on a belt clip or in your pocket. If you roll over, it may give you a chance to call for help. Number 9, always wear your seatbelt and keep the ROPS in the up position. And number 10 is never cut when wet. Every year, people get hurt seriously or killed using their tractors, so make sure you're careful out there. We'll see you next week.